It's multiplication time!
Yes!
Hi! Welcome back to iCanLearn channel. Today, we're gonna discuss some multiplication tips and tricks for the numbers 9, 10, and 11. This is the second episode of the Multiplication Tips and Tricks series. So, let's start with the easiest, the number 10. When multiplying a number with 10, you just need to put a 0 at the end of the number or put the 0 after the last digit. For example, 3 times 10. In this case, you just need to put a 0 after the number 3. So, 3 times 10 equals 30. Now, let's take a look at another example, 12 times 10. In this case, 12 has two digits, 1 and 2. What you're going to do is that just add 0 after 2. So, 12 times 10 equals 120. Now, pause the video and try to do 8 times 10 and 25 times 10. The answers are 80 and 250. Next, let's take a look at multiplying by 9. When you multiply a number with 9, you just have to multiply the number with 10, then subtract the number. For example, 7 times 9. 7 times 10 equals 70. 70 minus the number, which is 7, equals 63. Another example would be 4 times 9. 4 times 10 equals 40. 40 minus the number, which is 4, equals 36. Do you want to know another trick by 9?
Yes!
In this trick, I'm gonna show you how to use your fingers when multiplying by 9. However, this is just for multiplying the numbers 1 through 10 by 9. For example, 6 times 9. In this case, you have to hold your 6th finger down. The number of fingers on the left side would be the tens digit of the product. And then, the number of fingers on the right side would be the ones digit of the product. So, in this example, there are 5 fingers on the left and 4 fingers on the right, which means 5 would be for the tens and 4 would be for the ones. Thus, the product of 6 and 9 is 54.
Wow!
Now, pause the video and try to do 8 times 9 and 3 times 9. The answers are 72 and 27. How about multiplying by 11? Aside from multiplying by 10, multiplying the numbers 1 through 9 by 11 is just a walk in the park. Why? Because you just have to write the number twice. For example, 3 times 11 equals 33, and then 8 times 11 equals 88. Now, try to multiply each of the digits from numbers 1 through 9 by 11. The answers are... How about if you multiply a 2-digit number by 11? The trick is that you just have to write the sum of the digits between the digits, and that would be the product. For example, 45 times 11. You have to add 4 and 5, giving you 9. Then, you have to put 9 between the digits 4 and 5, giving you the product 495. What about if the sum of the digits is more than 9? When the sum of the digits is more than 9, you just have to add the 10th digit of the sum to the 10th digit of the 2-digit number. For example, 68 times 11. When you add 6 and 8, you will get 14. You have to put 4 between the digits, and then add 1 to the 10th digit 6, giving you 748 as the product. Now, for the challenge, try to do 32 times 11 and 58 times 11. The answers are 352 and 638. So, that's all for today's episode. I hope you learned something, guys. Stay tuned for the next episode of the Multiplication Tips and Tricks series. Kindly click the like and subscribe buttons, and also don't forget to like our FB page, iCanLearn. Anything we don't know, we can learn it. Let's do it together, whenever, wherever. See you in our next video. Bye!